So today we're gonna do a spring roll. We have some green leaf lettuce right here. This is roast pork. We had the roast pork for quite a while ago. We chop up some of this and save in the freezer. Now just thaw it out, roast pork. And this is a very big shrimp right here. This 16 to 20 count per pound. This is a wild caught premium raw easy peel Argentine red shrimp. This very big right here. This bag's about 2 pounds. This is a Vietnamese rice vermicelli. So basically you just bring the water to a boil and just boil it for put the noodle in and at medium heat for 8 minutes or so. Yeah, just stir it a little bit because it has a tendency to stuck on the bottom, so just stir it occasionally. All right, about 8 minutes now, and just drain out the water and then just.
Then you have to rinse with cold water, otherwise it continue cooking.
Yeah, just rinse it with cold water. Look that you're making it into.
I don't make it that nice. I just roll it to like this.
So I just squeeze some water out. Yeah, okay.
Then when
you make it to like a
easy.
little bundle like that. Okay.
Easy to take to eat. Otherwise, it will be a whole clump.
Yeah. Alright, she made it look really nice. Making to bundle like this is easier when you're ready to roll a spring roll.
So wild caught is not raised, not farm raised?
No, it's not farm raised. No, they caught it in the ocean, this one. And farm raised is this one. So 4 pound shrimp right here. That's very. How much is that per pound?
It's raw, it look like that, but it's actually raw, it's not cooked. Okay?
Yeah, it's not cooked because yeah, it's red shrimp. This is we ate this before. It really
tastes good.
Yeah, it tastes really good. The shrimp is very
cooked in the water. You lost the flavor taste.
Yeah.
If you steam it, you don't.
So steam is a good way to preserve the.
You cook in the water, the flavor come out. The juice.
Yeah, this shrimp is really good eating if you have like shrimp sauce or just steam this and eat with shrimp sauce. Really good.
No.
But today we're gonna do the spring roll, right?
Shrimp sauce. Shrimp sauce.
Shrimp cocktails. Shrimp cocktail,
No.
tail, right? Yeah, this shrimp is really super big. Look at it. How big the shrimp is. That is a big shrimp. Without the head on, look at it. With the head on, will be really long. All right, just turn the heat to high, and then don't need to put a lot of water. Maybe a cup of water right here. We're gonna just steam this. And yeah, that doesn't take long. Put the colander in there. All right, okay. Now we can put the shrimp in. Shouldn't take long.
Steam it.
So take maybe 10 minutes or so? Or
yeah, something.
Yeah, so.
You know what a turn color is, like the shrimp.
Alright, just cover it up. Close it, that's it.
And let it cook.
Yeah, let it cook. Yep, I think the shrimp is done. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. So what do you do with the roast pork? You kind of shred it, cut into small pieces like this. Yeah, so the roast pork, she's kind of...
Then we just roll wrap it. Okay, now we do the same with the shrimp.
Yeah, the shrimp. Yeah.
Take the shell off.
Yeah, for the shrimp, just take the shell off.
Still hot.
Yeah, it's kind of clean the, what is that?
But they take it out already.
Oh, you took it out already?
Yeah. See, they took it out.
Still very hot, just came from the pot.
And you slice it.
So just take the shell off and slice in half. Yeah, you don't want to put the whole shrimp in the spring roll.
Yes.
Just slice in half like this. Oh, right here, this is the rice paper right here. You can buy this from the Asian store right here. Three ladies brand. So there's a rice paper. You just basically just soak it. See, it has how many sheets in there? A lot of sheets in there, right? How many sheets? This one kind of good too. It's kind of gluten free and non-GMO.
That's a good brand.
Yeah, it's a very good brand.
Some it's not really. It's kind of bread. This one is not.
Gluten free and non-GMO. So called Ban Trang. I think this is from Vietnam.
Yeah. See?
So just put some hot water in the bowl. Yeah, very warm water. Yeah,
hot.
It's had to be hot water.
Yeah,
really
it's easy. Here, see, hot like that.
Okay. So just soak it in the hot water.
You aim it that. See, when it's hot, it really quick. See that?
Alright,
Well, we usually need more veggie, but since we don't have, we didn't plan to do it. We just have this today.
Yeah.
So the shrimp, I put it on the bottom. You can put it so close. You
Right
put
there.
it on the bottom so that you could see.
So the vegetable, you can put all kind of
vegetable.
vegetable. Some people put carrots in there. Some.
But we make it lazy way today.
Yeah,
Like,
you can put all kind.
and noodle?
You can put you can put
like
green onion on there too.
and some meat. See?
Alright. The reason you put the shrimp
on the bottom, so you could see it.
yeah, you could see it when you roll it. You could see it. If you put it in the middle, you wouldn't be able to see the shrimp. So you can see right there. She put three pieces of shrimp on the bottom, and then lettuce, and then noodles, rice noodle, and then the roast pork, and then you just turn it. See, that's how the right there. See, you put on the bottom. That's why the shrimp show up like that. They look good. Yeah, it looks good that way. So one is ready. Look, it look really nice. See?
You don't have water quick.
Yeah.
Cold, it take a little bit longer.
Yeah, this Polly been doing this many times already, so this easy for her to do.
So this way, it's very healthy though. You know.
It's very healthy. I mean, you can put all kind of vegetable, like I said. Okay, just
cucumber. You could put
3 shrimp on the bottom. See, 3 pieces shrimp on the bottom. So when you roll it, you can see it on the
and then noodle.
The noodle. Just take a little.
A giant one.
Yeah.
So you don't have to.
Yeah, spring roll is basically very healthy. It's like very healthy thing to do. Now put a little roast pork there. Yeah, this roast pork, we happen to save it. What is that? A few months ago, we just freeze it up and then reuse it.
Otherwise, you can go get it fresh.
Yeah, fresh even better. So
there you go. Look at that.
It's beautiful. See that? The shrimp show up like this. See?
Don't put too close, then it stick together.
Okay. Right.
Usually now this is very expensive. I use it all. Before I only use like this. I throw away the middle, but now it's expensive.
The middle is a little hard to see the middle. Some before we just take the middle off.
Back
this
then
thing
only
right
99
here.
cents. Now it's like
This part's a little.
Now it's $2.99.
Yeah, right now everything's very expensive. So one head of this green leaf lettuce is what, $3 now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, before it's only $1. Now it's $3.
See, this thing you don't want to do it and keep it. You can keep it a day, but if you keep in the refrigerator and eat it the next day, not good because it's.
Yeah, you're supposed to roll it and eat it right away. I think it's best if
and
you roll.
Can't heat this because you can't heat it up because it have lettuce in there.
Yeah, it's best to eat it when you finish rolling it up. Probably do a few more.
So maybe I could eat 5.
You could eat 5 per person by yourself.
5 per person because that's all we eat. So.
Yeah, looks beautiful.
We don't have anything added food. Usually if you have other food, maybe people eat 1, 2 or 3.
Yeah.
But since all we have this one today, then you can eat 5.
Mm-hmm.
And it's pretty healthy.
All right,
See the noodles? See, I like
let's do a few more and then
taste it, right?
taste it and show what
I mean,
kind
you
of
could
sauce.
taste it too, but I just put that down. Just taste it.
What kind of sauce we dip it with?
Fish sauce.
Yeah, there's a few options you can use.
I usually like hoisin sauce.
With the peanuts on it.
Yeah,
right?
with pounded peanut.
So what's a good technique to roll this thing? You show.
There's no good technique. Just do the way you think it's comfortable.
Okay, put 3 on
Whatever you
yeah.
think whatever think the way you do it easy, just do it. There's no any way to do it. I mean, everybody roll differently.
Okay.
The meat usually I make it finer than that, but don't have time today.
Mm. Yeah, Polly just got back from work pretty late at night now. Or could you roll it once like that, and then you
roll it like this, and then you turn in the corner. See the end, not the corner, the end. See
the
the
corner,
end.
okay, and
then you keep rolling.
Like okay.
So you close it so no meat spilling out.
Okay, let's do the sauce for now. Well, while Polly rolling up more the spring roll, we need some peanut right here. Dry roasted peanut. This one unsalted. So just bought from a store-bought. I'm gonna put some into the. This gonna go into the sauce to dip the spring roll. I'm gonna put some in the bag, and then what you need to do is just close it up and just a rolling pin right here. So with a rolling pin, just roll over it. Just break into a little small. You want to crush into small pieces a little bit. Alright, should look like this right here. That's what you want. That's it. And then that's gonna go into the sauce right there. So how far you get now?
I made 2 more, and that's it.
Yeah. So I'm just getting hungry. I'm ready to eat now. We can roll later.
No, that's it. We don't roll and keep it. Just roll as much as you can.
Roll and alright. So there's 2 kinds of sauce here. You can use a hoisin sauce, and just hoisin sauce. Just put some in the bowl right here, and then put the peanut, and then just dip it like that. Or you the other sauce is
this fish sauce we make.
Yeah, make fish sauce. What else is in there?
Sugar. I put some of this in there. The chili sauce. So you use 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of fish sauce.
Yeah, and then
I use this kind. This is good fish sauce.
the 3 crab.
So
brand.
2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of fish sauce, 1 cup of vinegar,
Yeah,
and 4 cups of water.
4 cup of water. Okay.
It's yummy, and you mix it, and you add some chili sauce in here. That's why it looks
some chili sauce in there, chili garlic sauce in there too. So this is the
see, that's how it look.
okay. And yeah, the other way I like this one. I like the hoisin sauce a little bit. See, that's hoisin sauce. Do it like that, and just
Peanut.
the crushed peanut I did before.
Put some in here. I like a lot of peanut. Peanut is good. There you go. You want some in here? And you put more chili.
Yeah, I like sriracha. I like to
You
put
put
a little
peanut?
bit sriracha in here too for the sauce, for the Put a little bit of sriracha in there.
See,
And
put
that's
this
it
one.
there.
See this is grind. You still see the chili
There's a
pepper.
garlic sauce, yeah.
No, chili pepper with garlic.
Chili, yeah.
No, that's you, okay? That.
Yeah, that's mine. Let's give it a taste. First try with the fish sauce first.
Look, John.
That's good. Well, let me,
You do it?
yeah, let me finish my
You
filming.
do one.
Yeah. So which one tastes good? Oh, you don't like the hoisin sauce, eh?
I don't.
Yep, I think both have a different taste. So the hoisin sauce kind of, it's like sweet. If you like sweet, and then sriracha is gonna give a little kick there, a little spicy. The fish sauce is like a little salty, but it's in a good way. That's good. So it's easy to do. Say it's not that hard to do at all. Just it's pretty healthy. You eat vegetable basically. Well, next time try to make spring roll. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.
Put on the bottom so that you could see.
So the vegetable, you can put all kind of
shrimp.
vegetable. Some people put carrots in there. Some.
But we make it lazy way today.
Yeah, you can put all kind.
And noodle?
You can put you can put